Hey everyone, I'm Ethan from Zappos.com and this is the Trade Large from Herschel Supply Company. This big luggage will have you ready to travel no matter where you're going with these two handles on each side. It's got a large handle on this side and on the top as well, with a fully retractable handle on the back there that combos with those 4 multi-directional wheels on the back. The inside of this luggage is a fully polyester build, super easy to clean. It's got a very open compartment on the back of the bag here with a small buckle in the middle to keep things a little bit more organized. And it's got a mesh zip pocket here. You can open up for more room on the inside there, just to keep things a little bit more organized on the inside of the bag. The side of the bag has a combination lock that's TSA approved with a segment that you can put these 2 zippers into to make sure it's all secure. Carry absolutely anything that you need in this very large carrying case. It's from the Herschel Supply Company.